Guys, welcome back, and today we're making a mango lassi with just 3 ingredients. All right, it is so smooth, creamy and scoopable, but guys, let me tell you, I did it my own way. So let's get started. I have some ripe mangoes here and I've been watching them for the longest while. What am I gonna do with these mangoes? Then I was saying make some drink. Then I said no, let me just cut them up. You can see that they're pretty ripe here. Cut them into small pieces. And of course I had to peel them, right? Yeah, so once I'm done cutting them up, they look something like this. And then I'm going to place them into my food processor. You can also use a blender at this time. And I'm going to use the pulse method and just pulse them. Pulse them until they are smooth and nice. This is what it looks like, guys. I did not get everything all chopped up and smooth. All right, there must be little chunks that left in there. I'm gonna put it over into my sieve and just sift it. Just mash it with a spoon, making sure I get most of that smooth, thick texture out from the mango. So as you can see, I'm not going to get all the mango right through the sieve. There are going to be some pieces of chunks that's going to be left back. And I'm going to bring a video shortly after this video just to show you what I did with the pieces that were being left back. And this is what it looks like. I'm using this, guys. Do not throw it away, period. All right? There's so many things that you can do with this and you will be amazed. It still has a lot of juices in it. It's just that it's a bit chunky and it did not pass through the sieve. All right, so let's start by making our mango lassi. 3 single ingredients. I have 1.5 cup of mango puree here. After sifting, this is what it looks like. Then I'm going to add some strawberry yogurt. You can use the plain yogurt, not Greek yogurt, just the plain yogurt. All right, this just brings in a little additional flavor. Not too much, but I just choose to use this. And then I'm going to use half of a can of condensed milk. And you don't need an electric mixer. You can just take a spoon and just mix this up. Simple and easy, guys. Just stir, making sure that everything is well combined. And this is what the texture looks like. So at this time you can chill and serve, or you can just place them into your dish and freeze them. So here I pour them. And then I'm going to place a plastic wrap right over the dishes and pop them into the freezer for about 4 to 5 hours. At this time I did make some separately into a container, guys, and I could not have resisted. Let me tell you, I started eating it and you can see how smooth and creamy the texture of this mango lassi is. Look at this. And it's time to serve. Finish. Guys, and here you have it. Simple, easy, it's smooth, it's creamy, it is scoopable, but I choose to cut mine. All right, give it a try. Do not waste those ripe mangoes when you get them. Make a drink, make something out of them, add some milk, add some essence. I just used my 3 ingredients and that's it. So give it a try, enjoy, and I'll see you soon.